There are over 5,000 publicly traded stocks in the US market alone. 5,000 options. 5,000 chances to make money. Or lose everything. Most beginners look at this mess and just guess. They pick what's hyped on Twitter or Reddit. But I wanted to know, if I ignore the noise and look strictly at the data, how many of these 5,000 companies are actually worth owning? I ran a massive analysis to filter every single one of them. The results? Terrifying. Out of 5,000 stocks, 4,900 of them are essentially garbage. Here's exactly how I found the survivors. I couldn't read 5,000 annual reports. I'd be 90 years old before I finished. So I built a brutal 3-step filter to purge the losers. Filter number 1. The zombie test. I immediately removed any company that isn't making a profit and has high debt. In a high interest rate world, these companies are zombies, just walking dead, boom. That killed 2,500 stocks instantly. Filter number 2. The growth trap. Next, I looked for revenue growth. If a company hasn't grown in 5 years, it's dying. But I also cut companies growing too fast with no plan. We want sustainable growth, not a firework that explodes and fades. We are down to 500 stocks. Filter number 3. The price check. Are they expensive? I looked at the PE ratio. If I have to pay $100 to get $1 of earnings, I'm out. Suddenly, our list of 5,000 is down to just 50. This is where things got weird. I expected the survivors to be exciting AI startups or flying car companies. But looking at this list of 50 survivors, it was incredibly boring. Insurance companies, waste management, consumer staples. The companies that survived my brutal data filter share one secret trait: pricing power. These companies can raise their prices when inflation hits, and customers, that's you and me, keep paying. A hyped-up tech stock can't always do that. Data shows that over 90% of active stock pickers lose to the index because they chase new instead of reliable. My filter proved that boring is beautiful. So, out of 5,000, I found 3 that I would actually put my own money into right now. Let's look at the best one. Survivor number 1 passed every test. 0 net debt. 15% annual growth, and the stock price is fair. It operates in the future finance space. It's not flashy, but the math doesn't lie. Contrast that with the thousands we deleted. They were selling stories. This company sells results. Here is the lesson from analyzing 5,000 stocks. The market is designed to distract you. It wants you to trade, to gamble, to guess. But successful investing is actually about rejection. It is about saying nitrogen monoxide to 4,997 stocks, so you can say YES to the 3 that matter. If you want to download my exact settings for this stock screener so you can run this filter yourself, I've linked it below. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Finance Lab for more no-nonsense data. Thanks for watching.